It's dragging right.
Alright guys, we are back home from Texas. The Texas video did really well, the Evo did well. However, I had some comments talking about you need to get anti-lag and you need to learn how to brake boost and whatever, all that stuff. So we're gonna go beat the shit out of the Evo in this video again today so I can show you guys that I do know how to drive. But I just got the dog box, didn't know what the fuck I was doing. We just weren't prepared for that week. We went out there on a fresh slate to try to basically test the new setup. So I'll show you guys I can drive, but before I do that, to all my new people here, since there is a lot of new people that we got from this last video, thank you for supporting us. I just gotta clearance this real quick because it doesn't clear the freaking grill. Oh, dude. That's like money. Before we go beat the shit out of the Evo for you guys, I do want to tell you we're actually changing some stuff on this. We're putting a new exhaust housing on this turbo. We're also changing the compressor housing. We want to push more boost and have a larger power band so this thing can make it from point A to point B a lot quicker. I'm chasing a pretty fast 60 to 130, which is going to be hard to do. But on top of that, to help us with that, we also got ourselves an overpriced shift knob. This is what you call a strain gauge. This is from GP1 Racing. Mackenzie, my tuner, the guy that you guys all love. He's the one that recommended that to me. So we're gonna put that in, which will allow me to do clutchless shifts and obviously cut those shift times in freaking half. That, along with the turbo, this car's gonna make more boost, more power, and we'll see. But we're gonna go beat the shit out of it right now, do some anti-lag hits, and show you guys that I have driver mod. We're putting another file on this right now because although we are putting a strain gauge in it, we still want to get some quick shifts with the clutch right now. Kenzie sent me another file with a little bit of shift time cut in half, which we're gonna flash on there now and see what it does. We'll go see if we can drive this thing. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head so you guys can see me hit the anti-lag, because yes, I do indeed have anti-lag, I just was not using it. After a week of not driving this car, maybe I don't have driver mod. Oh, just so you guys know, it's also 40 degrees out. And we could barely hook when it was 70 in Texas. So this might get interesting. So I don't know if you guys actually ever paid attention, but I do have this red button right here, which means I do have anti-lag. And it does work, but I just wasn't using it. But like I can show you guys just like what it sounds like. I'll just do it very lightly. It works. It works. But I'll show you guys it in action.
It felt like it spun though.
It did spin a little bit.
Got rocks on the tires going over there.
Yeah. So that 2.3 wasn't too bad. That's with a new file that Kenzie sent me. It actually felt better than the last few. Like it felt like it shifted pretty good. So we'll try a couple with the anti-lag since you guys think I don't know how to drive.
Yeah, she did, bro.
This car, that's why I like this car over like some rear-wheel drive. When it's rear-wheel drive, tail ends all over the place. When you spin in this car, it's still going straight. You're literally just getting wheel slip. So it feels intense, but it's a lot of fun and it's like predictable, controllable. I don't know if you felt that I was controlling it.
It still felt stable in the throttle. Even though it was doing its like pull to the side, it was still stable.
She was dancing a little bit, but
it's wild to feel a lot more spinning.
Guys, I got a freaking pee so bad. Kendall's gonna get a clip from the outside.
So fast, I barely got the last of the end of the car in there. I was trying to keep the camera on it, but this thing's moving, bro.
Does it look sick?
It was fast as shit, dude.
This shit is trying to escape from my pocket, dude. That's how many G-forces are coming out the Evo. All right, so obviously the Texas streets are a lot warmer than the the Mexico streets. We spun pretty bad, but the moral of it was, I know how to drive, guys. I know how to use rolling anti-lag. I know how to brake boost, even though I forgot to show you guys that I can brake boost. Maybe I don't shift the fastest. I needed to warm up here so I can start doing some 1-2s. It's still technically winter. There's not a whole lot of content I can film, but I promise you guys, when summer comes, we have a lot of events. We have a lot of videos that we can do, a lot of cars we can mess around with. We got the strain gauge coming, the new turbo setup. We're gonna see how this thing rips. There's a lot of new people that I've noticed on the channel from the last video. Just wanna say, I appreciate you guys' support watching the videos. This is me, this is who I am, this is what I got. If you guys want to continue watching the videos, support, and see us go to the top and build some more cool shit, subscribe, like, comment, do all the cliche shit. Peace out. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I want to show you guys what we got going on. Right now, I have I think I have like 6 cars, but I have 4 here that I'm going to show you guys. So we'll start with this one real quick. This is just my B9 S4. It's a 2019 S4. It's on bags. It's got wheels. It's bolt-ons, E85, nothing crazy. Basically just a summer daily car. This, to all my current already old subscribers, this is a new car that nobody has seen yet. This is my 1JZ E36, what I would like to call my comp car. This is gonna be a car that I'm gonna be trying to compete in Pro-Am level and get my FD license and do all that. Won't all happen now, but eventually. This is the bad girl you all love. This is my Evo. I know a lot of you wanted a breakdown on the full build, but basically all it is a Zona 9569S with a 2.2 liter stroker motor and all the sporting mods with a PPG dog box that we just got and are learning how to drive. And this is a B5 S4, going back to our roots. Some of you people don't even know that we have this car, but this is actually one of my giveaway cars, so that's gonna be happening sometime soon. But yeah.
Wait, hold on.